Some cricket now. The West Indies began their mandatory isolation period on Monday after arriving in Bangladesh on Sunday. The Caribbean side is the first team to arrive in Bangladesh since the COVID-19 outbreak. The players will isolate in their hotel rooms for the first 3 days before being tested again. If they test negative on both occasions, they'll be allowed to train from the fourth day. West Indies will play a warm-up one-day at the BKSP ground in Savar on January 18, before the first ODI on January 20. A third round of testing will take place after day 7 of the tour and also once before the start of the ODI series. In the meantime, Bangladesh have been in preparation ahead of the tour, and fielding coach Ryan Cook says they're doing well in that aspect of the game.
Yeah, I think a lot of the guys have got great attitudes now. You know, they're really trying hard on their fielding. They're asking for extra work, putting some extra effort in and a lot of energy. So I like that. A lot of work still has to be done on their techniques for catching especially, and some ground fielding. But generally their throwing arms are pretty good. So hopefully that enthusiasm that they've got towards improving is going to help a lot in the next couple of years.